In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove facial hair and get that clean shaven look using Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're prepping a photo for a project, working on some personal edits, or just curious about the process, knowing how to professionally edit facial hair out of images is a fantastic skill to have in your Photoshop toolkit. So let's dive right in and explore how to achieve this. First things first, you'll want to open up Adobe Photoshop. If you're not familiar with the interface, don't worry. Photoshop might appear a bit daunting initially, but you'll find it becomes quite intuitive with some practice. With Photoshop open, go ahead and import the image you wish to edit. You can do this by simply navigating to File and then selecting Open, or you can drag and drop your file directly into the workspace. Make sure your image is at a high resolution. This will give you more flexibility during the editing process and ensure cleaner results. Now, with your image loaded, our next step is to select the beard area. For this task, we'll be using the patch tool, which is perfect for blending textures and removing unwanted areas seamlessly. The patch tool is located in the toolbar, and it might be nested under the spot healing brush tool, so make sure to look out for that. Once you have the patch tool selected, carefully draw a selection around the beard. Don't worry too much about being overly precise. The patch tool naturally helps blend edges, improving the results even when selections aren't perfect. With your beard area selected, it's time to work some magic. You'll need to click and drag the selected area to the part of the face without beard or other distracting textures. The goal here is to find a skin texture that you'd like to replicate over the beard area. As you drag, you'll see a live preview of how the patched area will look, so you can ensure it blends in nicely with the rest of the face. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with your selection. If the first pass doesn't yield perfect results, don't hesitate to make fine adjustments. Patch small areas at a time for better accuracy and control. As you repeat this process over the entire beard area, you'll start seeing the face appear cleaner and more natural. This method does more than just hide the beard. It maintains the texture and lighting, ensuring the edited area matches the surrounding skin seamlessly. With all the steps completed, step back and review your work. Zoom out of the image to get a better perspective of the overall edit. If everything looks clean and natural, congratulations. You have successfully removed facial hair in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to experiment with different tools and settings to find the method that works best for you. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps enhance your Photoshop skills. Stay tuned for more tutorials on perfecting your photo editing techniques.